Yo, welcome back to the Python tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the various collections that are in Python. So what are collections? Collections allow you to store multiple types of data in one group. And there's four main types. There is the list, the tuple, the set, and the dictionary. And the first one we're going to talk about today is the list. So creating a list in Python is pretty simple. To create a list in Python, you just use the bracket notation. So let's say fruits equals brackets apple, comma, banana, comma, orange. And that would be our first list. And we can see the list by printing it out. So if we just print fruits, let's save it and let's run the file, and we get apple, banana, and orange. And let's say if you want to access just one element inside of the list, we can also use brackets to do that too. So if you want to print out just apple, you could just say print fruits brackets and then where you want the element from. So to do that, you just put the number, and everything in programming starts with 0. So you put in 0 here, you save it, and let's run the code. You get apple. And if you want to get multiple elements in a list, all you have to do, let's just add a couple more fruits here. It says strawberry, mango, and let's say cherry. And to access multiple, like a range of elements, you can use the brackets like we've done before. So let's print fruits, but you can use two numbers. So if you want, let's say from banana to mango, all you would have to do would be 0, 1. So you want to start at 1, colon, where you want to end. So it'd be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's exclusive in the list notation, so you have to do one more. So you have to do 5. Let's save that. Oh, sorry. Let me save that and run it. And you get banana, orange, strawberry, and mango. So strawberry wrong, not bad. Let's save that. And you can change an element inside of a list pretty easily too. So let's say we want to change banana to blackberry. So we just have to say fruits colon 0, 1 would equal blackberry. And if we print that out, and let's save it and let's run it, you get apple, blackberry, orange, strawberry, mango, and cherry. We can also loop through a list in Python, and to do that we have to use the for loop. We're going to talk about the for loop in more detail in a later video. So to loop through it, all you have to do is say for the name of the temporary variable, fruit, and fruits colon print. We're going to print out the fruit. Just save it and run the code. You get apple, blackberry, orange, strawberry, mango, and cherry. We can also check to see if a certain element is inside the list. So we can say, we can use the if statement, and we're going to talk about the if statement in more detail in a later video also. But we can say if apple in fruits colon print apple was here. And if we save it and run it, we get apple is here because apple is inside the fruits list. We can add elements inside the list like earlier, but there's a few more functions that we can use. So we can do the .append method, which will just append it to the end of the list. If you say fruits dot append, let's append watermelon. Let's save it, and let's print out fruits again. Let's run the code. We get apple, blackberry, orange, strawberry, mango, cherry, and watermelon because we added it. And then there's also another way we can insert it. What you can do with insert is put a specific index where you want the element to be. So let's say we want fruits that insert. We want to add it, let's say, to as the first element. You just put in 0 and what you want to add. So let's say blueberry. Let's save it. On the code, you get blueberry, apple, blackberry, orange, strawberry, mango, cherry, and watermelon. There's also a few ways you can delete or remove an element from the list. So there's just a simple remove function. If you just say fruits dot remove and the element you want to remove, so let's just say we want to remove orange. Let's save it. Let me print out fruit. Let's run the code. You get apple, blackberry, strawberry, mango, and cherry because we have gotten rid of the orange. There's also the pop method. Just say dot pop. It removes the last element in the list. So if you save it and let's run the code, you get apple, blackberry, orange, strawberry, mango, but we don't get the cherry because the pop method removes it. And there's also one more way you can remove things, elements inside the list. You can use the del and then what you want to remove. So let's say fruits. Let's say the third element, and let's print out fruits. Sorry, this would be the fourth element because you gotta start from 0. So if you save it and run the code, you get apple, blackberry, orange, mango, and cherry because we have gotten rid of the strawberry. 0, 1, 2, 3 with the del operator. That will be it for the list data type in this video. In the following video, we're going to be talking about the tuple data type, which is also a collection. So see you soon.